Good day, dear viewers! Now our team will share with you a review of 1xBet. We will tell you how to register correctly and enter the 21KF promo code for the current year 2021, which will give you 130% on your deposit. You will find a link below under the video. There is also a 21KF promo code that you can copy and specify during registration. 1xBet is one of the largest international bookmakers. The company was founded in Moscow in 2007. At the moment, the bookmaker is used by more than 400,000 regular visitors. In 2018, the bookmaker won the SBC Awards in London in the Rising Star of Sports Betting Innovation category. The main advantages are high odds, a large selection of sports and other events, and a wide range of bonuses. On the site, in addition to sports betting, you will find casinos, games, including card games and virtual sports. The site features over 30 kinds of sports, as well as betting on politics, show business, dog racing and cockfighting. The choice of competitions is varied. In the football section, you will find matches not only of the major leagues. Tournaments in more than 30 countries and major international championships are presented. There are also esports disciplines: Counter-Strike, League of Legends, Dota 2, StarCraft 2, Rainbow Six and Call of Duty. The bookmaker accepts bets on lotteries and offers participation in 7 types of sweepstakes. Live betting is one of the widest on the market. The bookmaker allows you to combine the live bets and before the start of the match in one coupon. On an unpopular baseball game during the course of the event, this bookmaker offers more than 10 options for betting. On an unpopular football match, from 30. For placed bets, the company can offer an early payment cash out. This function allows the settlement of placed bets to be accepted before the final outcome of the event on which the bet was placed is determined. The amount of early payment cash out is determined based on the current coefficients and directly depends on any changes that took place at the time of acceptance of the early payment. The bets for which the cash out function of early payout is available are marked with the corresponding symbol in the My Bet section of the game coupon, a live bet, or in the cash out section. Visiting the site, you will see the predominance of dark blue and white colors. Press the registration button. As you have already seen, we have it at the top right. By clicking on the registration button, we're immediately offered 4 options for how we can register. First, in one click, you specify the country, be sure to select your currency, because the bonus is converted into your amount, and the 21KF promo code that you already see on the screen. Select you need a sports or casino bonus and click the register button. If we go to the second option, registration by phone, there you will need to enter your phone number. You also need to choose a currency, enter a promotional code 21KF, and then you need a code that will come to your phone number. Then choose your bonus, and that's it, you're registered. Let's move on to the option of registering by mail. It is a little more complicated and longer, but we recommend it. You enter your country, region, city in which you live, and only then select the currency. Then enter your mail, phone number, your first and last name, and most importantly, the password and write it down. And there remains a mandatory item, the 21KF promo code that you now see on the screen, and your constant choice. You need a casino or sports bonus. And we have the last option. This is the ability to register via social networks or messengers. Here everything is quite simple. You choose your version of the social network and just wait for all your data to come up, after which you simply select the currency and your country. After, you are free to choose again. Your bonus will go to the casino or sports. Our team recommends you the first 3 registration options, and especially the mail registration option, since it is the most complete, and due to this you have more chances to receive a bonus. We also remind you that the bookmaker reserves the right to refuse to receive a bonus without explanation. And an important clarification: the bonus is activated only after you refill your deposit in any way convenient for you. And then you will be given 130% of the bonus depending on your amount. And only you know how to dispose of your deposit. So wish you big wins and quick payouts.